What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and today we are going to go find another place to eat for this week's weekly vlog. Let's do it. Of course, I get on the bike, and before I can even do anything, I need to get gas. I'm so bad about getting gas before I put the bike away, and so I never set myself up for the next ride. Which, you know, sitting at red lights gets me thinking about important philosophical things, and I just have one question that I'd like you guys to ponder and then answer. Is water wet? Like, what's the deal there?
Ready to pay for fuel? For a convenient and contactless way to pay.
And there's that. Let's go. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Alright, so there was a food place back there that I've never been to. And I'm going down here to do a little twisties real quick. As good as twisties as we can get near here. And then maybe on the way back that way, I'll stop there and see what they have for lunch. All the way inside like this. That's it? Yeah, here it is. Alright, let's go. Keystone Korner. Eat more Cubans. Fries, Greek salad. Oh yeah, are hot. Yum. Those are fantastic. All right, that was Keystone Korner here in Keystone. Funny enough, and you know, this one was a sweet find. Menu's pretty good. Got a lot of options. Really a lunch spot. But they've got a lot of things on the menu. I had a Greek salad and fries, and it was fantastic. I was gonna give it a 5 out of 5. Truly, like, it's really good, and the food's not overpriced. Atmosphere's nice and chill. A nice little shaded spot to sit. The only reason that we're backing it down to a 4 is because they gave me off-brand ketchup instead of Heinz, and I'm from Pittsburgh, and we don't play that. You know, so you get Heinz up in here, and this is about a perfect lunch spot. It's just as good as you can get. But in all seriousness, Keystone Korner definitely worth a stop. I'm giving it a 4 out of 5. All right, friendly friends, that wraps up another video. And if you are new around here, don't forget to do the thing where if you enjoy the content, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, hit the bell, do the things that help me out. And until next week, where we find another place to eat, enjoy your weekend, be safe out there, see you next time.